G'day, campers! Welcome to Jock Wilder's Nature Camp. 2,000 acres of untamed, unbridled, and unprotected wilderness, where you'll be spending the weekend camping with me, Jock Wilder. You can experience the great outdoors from the indoors, and it's not until you're thrown into nature that you discover your inner Jock Wilder. So, you'll spend all weekend doing this! Now who's ready to camp? That always happens. In fact, you're the only two campers who've ever stuck around. I can't wait to show you the untamed, unbridled, unprotected side of nature. Uh-oh, there's a fire in the bush. It's time to dive into nature and face the fiery fury. I'm gonna need a volunteer to go with me. All right, mate, let's go.
Gunther?
Sorry, Kick. You know how I am when it comes to volunteering enthusiastically.
Okay, I need a volunteer to get the plague.
Ooh, ooh, ooh.
What about me? I came here to find my inner Jock Wilder.
Don't worry, mate. You'll be out here in the wild with my identical twin brother, Larry.
Identical twin?
Get it up!
You have a twin brother?
Of course I do. We were raised in the wild together.
Jock's twin. Brother?
Yep, that's me.
But you look nothing alike.
Nope, except our silhouettes.
And you were raised in the wild.
Well, of course. It's just Jock was raised by wolves. And I was not.
Chihuahuas? How do you get an inner Jock Wilder when you're raised by chihuahuas?
I can take care of myself. Now, where is Jock?
He just left on a rhino.
He left? Oh, we're sitting ducks.
Whoa, Larry, what's the big...
Nature is untamed, unbridled, and unprotected. No one can survive without Jock!
Yes, we can, Larry.
No, we can't!
I want to find my inner Jock Wilder, and I can't do that inside an electric fence.
And I want to live, and I can't do that outside the fence.